Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated with our journey. Anxiety can feel like a relentless shadow, clinging to you and dictating your every move. It whispers doubts in your ear, fuels your fears, and steals your peace. But what if I told you that you have the power to break free from its grasp? In this 30-day guide, we'll embark on a journey together, equipping you with the tools and strategies to conquer anxiety and reclaim your life. This isn't about quick fixes or magical cures. It's about consistent effort and unwavering commitment to yourself. It's about understanding the nature of anxiety, recognizing its triggers, and developing coping mechanisms to navigate its challenges. Each week we'll focus on a specific aspect of anxiety management, building upon the previous week's progress. Remember, this is your journey, and we're here to support you every step of the way. So, if you're ready to take control, to silence the whispers of doubt, and to step into a life free from anxiety's grip, join us on this 30-day challenge. Anxiety is more than just everyday worry. It's a complex cycle that can trap you in a web of fear and apprehension. It's a physiological and psychological response to perceived threats, often triggered by specific events or situations. Understanding this cycle is crucial to breaking free from its hold. The anxiety cycle typically begins with a trigger, an event, thought, or sensation that sets off the alarm bells in your mind. This trigger then leads to anxious thoughts, which can range from mild worries to catastrophic predictions. These thoughts fuel physical sensations like a racing heart, shortness of breath, and muscle tension. These physical sensations further intensify the anxious thoughts, creating a vicious cycle that can spiral out of control. Recognizing the specific type of anxiety you experience can be invaluable in tailoring your treatment approach. Anxiety isn't simply a matter of willpower or a character flaw. It's a complex condition with roots in various factors, including genetics, brain chemistry, and life experiences. Understanding these underlying causes can help demystify anxiety and empower you to take control of your mental health. Genetic predisposition can play a significant role in an individual's susceptibility to anxiety. Research suggests that certain genes may influence the way the brain processes emotions and responds to stress. Brain chemistry also plays a crucial role in anxiety. Neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers in the brain, are responsible for regulating mood and emotions. Imbalances in these neurotransmitters, particularly serotonin and GABA, can contribute to anxiety symptoms. Life experiences, particularly traumatic or stressful events, can also trigger or exacerbate anxiety. Recognizing the interplay of these factors can provide a more holistic understanding of your anxiety and inform your treatment approach. Section 4. Week 1. Laying the foundation, self-awareness, and nurturing your well-being. The first week of our 30-day journey focuses on building a solid foundation for anxiety management through self-awareness and self-care. This involves understanding your individual anxiety triggers, recognizing your early warning signs, and implementing healthy habits to support your mental well-being. Start by keeping an anxiety journal. Note down situations, thoughts, or sensations that trigger your anxiety. Pay attention to the early warning signs your body sends, such as muscle tension, racing heart, or shortness of breath. This awareness is crucial for interrupting the anxiety cycle before it escalates. Incorporate mindfulness practices into your daily routine. Techniques like body scans and deep breathing can help ground you in the present and reduce the grip of anxious thoughts. Prioritize sleep, a balanced diet, and regular exercise. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Nourish your body with nutrient-rich foods and engage in regular physical activity that you enjoy. Even a short walk can make a difference. Section 5. Week 2. Confronting the enemy. Challenging anxious thoughts and behaviors. Week 2 is about challenging the negative thoughts and behaviors that perpetuate the anxiety cycle. This involves cognitive restructuring, a technique that helps you identify and challenge distorted thinking patterns and gradual exposure to feared situations. Cognitive restructuring involves examining your anxious thoughts and questioning their validity. Ask yourself, is this thought based on facts or assumptions? What's the evidence for and against this thought? What's a more balanced and realistic way of looking at this situation? Gradual exposure is a powerful technique for overcoming avoidance behaviors. Start by identifying situations that trigger your anxiety and create a hierarchy of fears, listing them from least to most anxiety-provoking. Gradually expose yourself to these situations, starting with the least challenging one. Engage in healthy coping mechanisms like journaling, spending time in nature, listening to music, or pursuing hobbies. Experiment with different coping strategies to find what works best for you. Section 6. Week 3. Building your fortress, cultivating resilience and seeking support. Week 3 focuses on building resilience and strengthening your support system. This involves cultivating self-compassion, seeking support from loved ones or a therapist, and developing effective stress management techniques. Self-compassion involves treating yourself with kindness and understanding, especially during challenging times. Recognize that everyone experiences anxiety, and it's okay to feel overwhelmed at times. Practice self-care activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. This could include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or spending time with loved ones. Don't hesitate to reach out for support. Talk to trusted friends, family members, or a therapist about your anxiety. Sharing your struggles can be incredibly helpful in reducing feelings of isolation and developing coping strategies. Develop effective stress management techniques. Section 7. Week 4. Securing your victory, maintaining progress and preventing relapse. The final week of our 30-day challenge is about consolidating your progress and developing strategies to prevent relapse. This involves maintaining consistency with the techniques you've learned, staying motivated, and developing resilience to handle setbacks. Consistency is key to long-term anxiety management. Continue practicing the techniques you've learned throughout this challenge, even when you're feeling better. Make self-care, mindfulness, and cognitive restructuring a regular part of your routine. Stay motivated by celebrating your successes, no matter how small. Acknowledge the progress you've made and focus on the positive changes you've experienced. Remember your why, the reasons you embarked on this journey in the first place. Develop resilience to handle setbacks. Use your coping mechanisms to navigate the challenging emotions and get back on track. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content like this. Thank you for joining us on this journey.